Module 11. Meditation. Meditation is a conscious mental method of systematically allowing the mind to focus gently on a single item. The most common characteristics of all meditation are a quiet environment, a comfortable, relaxed position, a point of mental focus. Keep in mind that meditation is not making the mind become completely still to a point at which no thoughts are happening. A mantra is a syllable, word, or phrase that is repeated during meditation. Mantras can be spoken, chanted, whispered, or repeated in the mind. Most mantra meditation techniques have two essential components: mindfulness meditation and mantra recitation or chanting. The major characteristics of mantra meditation include a mental device, constant and repetitive focus of attention, a passive attitude, decreased muscle tone facilitated by a comfortable position, a quiet environment. According to research, a word or phrase associated with one's faith or beliefs brings greater results from meditation. Faith factors improves people's success in staying with their practice of meditation and incorporating meditation into their daily routine over time. When you meditate using a mantra or simple meditation, your intention should be to repeat the mantra with as little effort as possible when you think of it. A person practicing mantra meditation will continue repeating the word for most of the time his eyes are closed. Breathing meditation focuses on bodily sensations, particularly breathing. Additional ways to meditate include contemplation, breath counting, thought watching, chakra meditation, and walking meditation. According to a study, during meditation, people are able to reach deep levels of brainwave activity associated with sleep and enjoy deep rest in as few as 5 minutes. They may remain aware and conscious, and heart rates decrease dramatically and breathing rates slow dramatically. This state is known as hypometabolic state. Benefits of meditation. There are several physiological benefits of the meditation, such as it slows down the heartbeat and breathing, fall oxygen consumption by 20%, drop the blood lactate levels, increased alpha brainwave patterns, improvement in the breathing patterns of patients with bronchial asthma, lower blood pressure in both pharmacologically treated and untreated hypertensive patients, reduced premature ventricular contractions in patients with ischemic heart disease, lower serum cholesterol levels in hypercholesteromic patients, relief in sleep-onset insomnia, amelioration of stuttering, lower blood sugar levels in diabetic patients, reduction in the symptoms of psychiatric illnesses, including depression. According to research, meditation training is associated with persistent increased activity on the left side of the prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain associated with joyful and serene emotions. Ideally, medication can be undertaken twice a day, after awakening and in the early afternoon or before eating. Never use meditation as a tool to aid sleep. The quality of a good meditation may be less about what happens during meditation and more about how you feel afterward. Yoga is a system of physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to promote bodily or mental control and well-being. Yoga is a mind-body intervention that originated in India. According to a survey in 2022, over 20 million Americans practiced yoga. Most of them are in the 18 to 44 age range. Yoga theories and practices known as the Yoga Sutras include yama, meaning restraint, refraining from violence, lying, stealing, and hoarding; nivama, meaning observance, purity, contentment, tolerance, study, and remembrance. Naturopathic medicine works on the principle that nature has the ability to heal. Yoga Sutras include asana, physical exercises; pranayama, breathing techniques; pratyahara, preparation for meditation, described as withdrawal of the mind from the senses; dharana, concentration, being able to hold the mind on one object for a specified time; dhyana, meditation, the ability to focus on one thing or nothing indefinitely; samadhi, absorption, realization of the essential nature of the self. Always keep in mind that yoga has no political or religious boundaries. Anyone can practice yoga regardless of age, sex, or physical condition. The major styles of yoga are Hatha yoga. These are simple poses that flow from one to the other at a comfortable pace. Iyengar yoga. It is a classical style of yoga that is softer on the body and is well suited for beginners and those who haven't exercised in a while. Iyengar yoga is a classical style of yoga that would be best for beginners and even for people who rarely exercise. Ashtanga yoga, or power yoga, is a preferred choice for athletes. It is light on meditation but heavy on developing strength and stamina. Kundalini yoga incorporates mantras, meditations, visualizations, and guided relaxation. Bikram yoga. This type of yoga is mostly done in a hot room and moves sequentially through 26 postures that are performed in a precise order. Sivananda yoga. It is a series of 12 poses and includes sun salutation, breathing exercises, relaxation, and mantra chanting. Benefits of yoga. Yoga has been used as a treatment for a range of health conditions. It is mostly practiced by healthy adults for health maintenance and disease prevention. The most common health benefits of yoga include reduced stress, sound sleep, reduced cortisol levels, improvement of many medical conditions, relief from allergy and asthma symptoms, lower blood pressure, help in cessation of smoking, lower heart rate, spiritual growth, build a sense of well-being. Hatha yoga. It is effective for inducing a state of energized relaxation. Hatha yoga consists of regulating the mind and body through breathing exercises, pranayamas, and more than 200 balanced physical postures or poses. The focus of Hatha yoga is on 3 branches of yoga, including breathing techniques. Postures of Hatha yoga. The different postures of the Hatha yoga are asanas. This posture increases blood flow to specific areas of the body and stimulates them with a squeezing action that massages internal organs. This postures also increase flexibility in the spine and develop 3 primary facets of fitness. 1. Power. 2. Flexibility. 3. Balance. Pranayama, breathing. It acts as a bridge that connects the mind and body. The key to yoga breathing is to avoid straining. Dhyana meditation focuses the mind, putting your attention directly on something in a passive and interesting way. Typical yoga session proceeds through a series of poses. The practitioner is mindful of what is happening in the body, entering and ending each pose slowly, breathing fully and deeply in and out through the nose and enjoying the process. Yoga overall is generally considered safe, but always check with your doctor if you have joint problems, history of low back or neck pain, balance problems, uncontrolled high blood pressure, certain eye conditions including glaucoma, severe osteoporosis, pregnancy, artificial joints.